This video is to help you with Algebra 2, Semester 2, Final Exam Review, problem number 18. I can divide rational expressions and state any restrictions. When we look at this problem number 18, what we have here is a x squared minus 16 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by, that's a rational expression because you have a numerator and a denominator, divided by x squared plus 5x plus 4 all over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Now, this problem, you have to know how to factor in order to do the problem. So if you need more practice on factoring, you've got to go out there on the internet, Google factoring practice, go to Khan Academy and practice factoring, because factoring is a very fundamental skill for a lot of problem solving in algebra. Now, one thing you should remember and know is that when you divide fractions, you actually have to turn this into a multiplication problem. So this division problem will turn into a multiplication problem. And you also should know that the first part of the problem is going to stay the same. So when we multiply or when we divide rational expressions, fractions, the first fraction, rational expression, stays the same. It's the second one that's going to flip. So its denominator is going to be moved to the top, and its numerator is going to get moved to the bottom. So now you can see how we have to flip the fraction. We have to use the reciprocal. What we're going to do next now is go ahead and solve this problem. In my first rational expression, that's the difference of two squares. X minus 4 times x plus 4. Those are conjugates. The bottom is a trinomial, which, with trial and error or after some experience, we know is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 3. Since I've changed it to a multiplication problem and I have flipped the fraction, made it to its reciprocal, x squared minus 2x minus 8, that will be x minus 4 times x plus 2. Using guess and check, I notice that this is a minus and this is a minus. And then knowing that a negative 8 and a 2x, I'm going to have to use negative 4 and a positive 2 in my binomials for the factors. Here I have a plus 4 and I have a plus 5x. So that's going to be x plus 4 over x plus 1. That's the most difficult part of the problem. Once we're here, what we can do now is we can go ahead and cancel those terms which are like those terms on the bottom. So x plus 4 and x plus 4 will cancel. We also can see that we can cancel x plus 2 and x plus 2. And it looks like that's it. So now we're going to have x minus 4 times x minus 4 in the numerator. And we're going to have x plus 3 and x plus 1 in the denominator. And we do not like to have denominators that will make 0 in the denominator. So we're going to say that x cannot equal negative 3, x cannot equal negative 1. I hope this is helpful in you understanding the learning target, divide rational expressions, and also gives you some insight as to what are restrictions and how you find those. If you are still unclear about any of these concepts or anything to do with this video, please go see your teacher, watch the video together, ask questions, make some notes, and try to study so that you know this math for the final exam and for future classes in geometry and college algebra and pre-calculus to calculus. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening or a good day. Thank you.